back, guys. Really interesting conversation. And as I said, we're going to try to continue it this week. But yes, per what we're talking about, please be a part of the conversation. MX24 TV, hashtags MXLIVE. Now, I got a rich kid in the studio. Hey, Natty Richkhid. How you doing? Yes, I hear rich. No, I can't take money from you. Please. Is that your real name? And why Natty Richkhid if it's not your real name?
Yeah, my real name is Nathaniel. So I really got the Natty from the Nathaniel.
Oh, okay. And the rich kid, because you're a rich guy?
No, I'm trying to be a rich guy.
You're trying to be a rich guy.
Yeah, I'm not.
You know, I go collect so you see, smart guy. Bro, tell us a bit about yourself, man. How you go into music?
Well, a friend of mine called Gucci Wale.
Okay.
He was the one who influenced me into music.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Did he see that you had the talent, or what made him know that you could?
I used to be a footballer, but I really love music.
Oh. What position?
I'm a defender.
Bro, this guy will step on your legs, man. He's gonna break your legs, you know.
If you miss the ball,
don't miss the man. He goes, okay, I get that. So, but was it a difficult decision though? Because you're saying you love football, the music comes along. Was it a difficult decision? And why did you choose music? I know you love music, but as you're saying, you love football too. So, what was the defining moment that made you take music over football?
Well, I think the football was not going well how I expected it to be.
Okay.
So I had to change and try something else. And I was feeling like the music too was going to go on well with me.
Okay.
So I have to put the football aside and be on the music career.
Okay. How long have you been making music professionally?
Professionally, 3 years now. But I started music 6 years ago.
Wow. 3 years, 6 years ago.
I did my first song 2017.
Okay. How's the response been? How's your growth been, do you think, as an artist?
Well, it's going well because people are jamming to my song everywhere.
Yeah,
it's
bro,
amazing.
I mean, you came here and they played your music, and I told you I heard it on TikTok. And
yeah.
So that song we were listening to was Egbami before you came, which you told me means help me.
Yeah.
When did you know that song, you know, had really like gained grounds, you know, in the market space? Like, what was that moment that actually, this song really go far?
Well, the first day we recorded this song, we took it to the slums and the ghetto.
Oh.
And we're just trying it out, and everybody was recommending we should release this song. It's a hit.
Oh.
So the song was already banging in town.
It was on the streets.
Not released.
Okay.
So the song was already moving, so we have no option to release it because it was already moving.
But that's smart, though. You went to the people directly.
Yeah.
That's smart. Oh, man. Really cool. Okay, so that happens. You release the song, and the song is doing well.
Of course.
When did you release the song?
January there.
January. That's your first song this year?
No.
That's not your first song even this year?
Yeah.
Oh, man, how many songs do you have?
I had other song, Jackpot, feature OGs.
Bro, you're working, man.
Yeah, man.
That's interesting. So this year, how many songs and all do you have? Because you have some more music actually coming up as the year goes on.
Yeah, just last month, I released a song called My Life.
My Life.
Yeah,
Tell me
about my life story.
Tell me about My Life, that song. Like, give us a bit of detail.
Yeah, My Life. My dream was to become a footballer. I used to bake a bread before I get a dinner. Oh, that was the vibe, yeah.
Okay, so like in My Life, you're talking about you, the things you've gone through, and all these things. That's interesting.
Yeah.
I'm sure your music, people can relate to, you know, the struggles of a young man chasing his dream.
Yeah, of course.
So is that what influences a lot of your music? I mean, for people who've not heard your songs before, or are you just like, you touch on different topics?
Well, I don't preach on one topic. Normally, sometimes the emotions, where the emotions take me to. Okay. That's what I preach about.
Okay. Sometimes where the emotion takes you. Okay, you go with the flow. That makes sense. So right now you're promoting My Life.
Yeah.
Is there
the new release?
Is the new release?
Yeah.
Okay, is there a music video for it?
Not yet.
Not yet.
It was just released last month, so we're working on the video soon.
Okay, so you're actually working on the video?
Yeah.
Okay, that's really, really cool. But there's a video for Egbami.
Yeah, Egbami video is out.
Yes. Before we get to that, you said Egbami means help me.
Yeah.
Please explain that song to me. What do you want to be helped with?
We want to reach to the top.
Okay.
So we're seeking for help to reach to the top. We can't make it alone.
Okay. So let me tell you this, or let me give you this opportunity. As an artist, to anybody who's watching, if you could ask for help, it could be financial, it could be maybe emotional, mental, it could be anything. What help do you need as an artist?
Sometimes it depends, but I think you supporting with your energy is even sometimes more good than even money.
Okay, I like that.
Because I need the support more than money.
Okay. Like people sharing your music.
Yeah.
People, word of mouth talking about you.
Yeah. Always moving around with me.
Yeah,
everything
jamming
I
to the
do.
music.
Yeah.
For those who are already moving with you, your fan base, what do you want to tell them?
Much grateful for being with me since the starting. We're taking this to the next level.
I like that. Very appreciative guy. So your music, that you've been releasing over the past 2 years, can we find it on platforms? Can we buy it if people want to?
Yeah, my songs are all platforms, all streaming platforms.
All streaming platforms. People can go there, people can buy it.
Yeah, Natty Richkhid.
Natty Richkhid.
Yeah.
How do you spell it? Is it N-A-T-I?
N-A-T-T-Y.
N-A-T-T-Y.
And my Richkhid spelling is R-I-C-H-K-H-I-D.
K-H-I-D.
Yeah.
Okay. I get that. So that's where we can find you on social media.
Yeah.
That's where we can buy the music.
My music, all streaming platforms. Everywhere. Okay. Snapchat, Natty Richkhid at 18 on Snapchat.
Okay. Please find him and follow him. Obviously, he's got a lot of swag. He knows what's up. So you can reach out to him and talk to him. Very, very cool guy. Well, I'm very happy you came through today. I hope people find you. Yeah. I hope people buy the music. People support you. Sure. Is there anything you want to add to go? Maybe any shout-outs you have to add before you go?
Yo, big shout-out to where I'm from, Dan Soma. Dan Soma Shiawu. Yeah. Okay. Big shout-out to everybody. We keep supporting the thing from day one. Nice. I appreciate it. We're taking it to the next level, worldwide.
Nice, worldwide, right? Nice. I can't wait to interview you some more in the future, man. When we release more music and more videos. I do have to let him go. But we have your music video. I think we have one of your songs or your music videos.
Yeah, the
Egbami video. So please, as he said, if there's any way you can support him, whenever I'm sitting here, I say if you want to support the artist, buy the music. That's the number one way, right?
Sure.
And very importantly, so as he's saying, the energy, sharing the music, going on X, tweeting, talking about him if you're enjoying the music. Right now, we see TikTok videos of people dancing to the music. All these little things actually culminate to help the artist be the biggest they can be, Charlie. Thank you so much again for coming. Please, this is your home. Come through some more.
Bless anytime.
I've got you 24/7.
Big shout out to our Lord, man.
Yeah, okay. Shout out to our Lord, man. Guys, enjoy the music. I'm going to be here same time Wednesday. Salute.
Bless.